So this is a little bit of a sneak peek, and what more can I show? Maybe a little quick of this. That's it. So welcome back to another video. And sorry if my voice is a bit muffled. Had one of these on. I had that on since I filmed a video, and yeah, I filmed a video where I'm making what is it called, micarta. So I will be putting out 2 videos in the near future. The first video is how to make micarta, and the second one is start to rain. And the other video is about how to make a wooden press for making micarta. So it's like, oh, here's the video of making micarta. And by the way, those of you who want to know how to actually make it and go through the whole process might also want the video of how to make the wooden press I'm using. You know, because a press that can hold that much micarta, maybe everyone doesn't have that. Oh, I want to capture that on video. Damn. Clean. Yeah. Well, anyway, so those 2 videos will be up on the channel. And the how to make a wooden press will be somewhat of a ASMR video. It wasn't my intention, but I edited it and felt that, wow, this is kind of relaxing. And this rest of the video will be delegated to my custom rep. I were planning in the beginning on buying a clone rep, changing out the blade, which I did, changing out the hardware, which I did, all the hardware, and changing out the spacers, liners, and scales. But what I did in exact order was I anodized the liners, which doesn't show in this lighting, maybe a little bit. And then I made these wooden channel spacers for this amazing sound. And this isn't even lubed, so it could sound even better. And pro tip for anyone who want their clone rep to sound nice: make channel spacers if you can. If you can't, just take out these send screws. It makes the whole feeling more bouncier. And then what more? So I took the scales, which are very, very, very heavy. So this is grade 4 titanium liners, which makes this already heavier than the normal rep. And then you have thicker, bigger, and heavier material G10 as the G10 scales, which means it's heavier in all regards. And the spacers is also grade 4 titanium, which is heavier than grade 5, which I think BRS uses, since everyone who uses titanium uses a AL something bullshit, and then grade 5, which is lighter. So what I did was change the spacers I had for these wooden ones, so it's lighter, and then I took these scales and I milled them to this wavy rock pattern, which makes the whole thing even more gripper, feel absolutely royal, look super cool. I think this really, really sells my custom rep. You can actually see how I messed up the channel spacer there and had to glue back the part I messed up. But this one was perfect. But yeah, so I milled these scales. I plan to make this the channel mascot and make this side red and this side blue. So yeah, that's the future of this Balisong. But anyways, when I milled out this wavy pattern, the whole experience just got 10 times better. Has it already stopped raining? But anyways, now my rep is actually kind of light. The only thing I really need to do now is mill holes in the titanium where there's no hole pattern. So it will be even more light. But you won't see really a difference if you're not looking inside the channel. So yeah, that's the future for this Balisong. And the future of the next week's upload. I mean, I have taken a really big break, but I'm hopefully back to kind of regular posts. I don't know why. I just lock myself when I film. I get way less creative when I flip. And it just looks like I'm flailing around. See what I did there? I'm just flailing around. Anyways, that's been it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.